G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a mail call and some products from the Royal Australian Mint and a little bit of other mail. So let's get into it. I've got an envelope and a box that came to the PO Box, and they're both from the same person, which is Beth Arnold up in Marks Point. So let's open the envelope first, shall we? To see what Beth has sent us. Oops. Got a handwritten note here. Hi, says, hi Phil. I have had some great finds since writing last. Oh, a 45% left rotation on a 20-cent 2008. That's very nice. A 45-degree left rotation on a $1 2001. I'm assuming that's a Centenary of Federation. That's a very nice find. And a 2014 Mob of Ruse. Also, a Andromo arcade game token, Korean arcade game manufacturer, founded in 1992 amongst $1 coins. Wow. Regards, Beth. Beth, that's fantastic. Love to hear that people out there are finding great pieces, great coins, great pieces of coin collecting memorabilia. And let me have a look here in what you've put in this box. Try not to cut ourselves. Let's see what Beth has sent us in the mail. Let's get that open. Oh. It's another letter. And a little baggie. It's a big box for a little letter. Let's put that to the side. Maybe that's something very nice. We've got, again, Phil. Oh, we've got it inside this time. Hi, Phil. Stop noodling for the moment, but last month I found a World War I Australian Flying Corps 20 cents, 1915. That's very nice. Not intended for circulation coin. 2 Landcare faults on $1. That's fantastic. HUD errors, I'm hoping. 2 rabbit ears in 2001 for both. Very, very nice. When I was walking the aisles of Aldi a couple of months ago, 2 of these. Such a surprise. I will let you find out what it is. Regards, Beth. Well, 2 of these, she says. And we've got this little shrink-wrapped package here. Or bubble wrap package. Let's see if we can get into it. Oh wow, it looks like a die. It looks like a die with coins on it. Oh my goodness. And there we have it. We have a $1, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, and $2. That's amazing. 6 coins, 6 sides. That's fantastic. Look at that, everyone. We have a die with all of our circulating denominations on it, and very nicely done too, I might add. Rolls quite well. Maybe I can use that next time I have to choose something. That's fantastic. Thank you very much, Beth. Much appreciated. You don't have to send me any gifts. I appreciate it very much. That's fantastic. Thank you very much for sending that through, Beth. I will write back to you again and let you know what I've been up to as well. So now let's have a look at the mint products that I have picked up. I did give a bit of a short description of these on one of my live streams not that long ago. Here we have the 2023 ANDA Money Expo 4 uncirculated coin preview mark set. Now, if you had seen Thompson Coins video, Matt Thompson from ANDA talked about this at the ANDA show in Sydney. And there we have 4 Mob of Roos, and they're each with the preview mark, the A, the N, the D, and the A, ANDA, for the Australasian Numismatic Dealers Association, and they put on the ANDA Money Expos in the capital cities, and so I've been able to organise preview marked Mob of Roos. They usually can get other preview mark Mob of Roos around the traps, and they have done so for a number of years, but I'm not sure that they put it in this kind of packaging in the 4-coin set. And even though I was at the Melbourne Money Expo on the 18th and 19th of February 2023, these weren't available then. They didn't come out until later in the year. I think you were able to get them at the Sydney Money Expo, but not the others. So it's a very nice set. I think it adds to my $1 Mob of Roos collection. As you're well aware, I'm very, very fond of my $1. And so that's a very nice pickup. Had that picked out for me by a colleague, one of the colleagues that works in a bank that helps me get coins, and he works very close to a coin shop. And yeah, I wasn't able to get there, but he spotted it for me, which was fantastic. And the next pickup I got was only just today, actually, and this is a PNC for the Sydney Opera House. Now, you would have seen in a mint product video that I put out a little while ago that I got the carded 50-cent Sydney Opera House anniversary, 50 years. But this particular one, because it is a PNC, a Australia Post PNC, it has an envelope preview mark on it, which for me, there you go, you can see it, it's just there, the envelope preview mark. You would know that I like to get my $1 with envelope preview marks on it, and I hadn't actually known that there was, or I had known that there was one going to come, but I haven't seen myself personally any other 50-cent with preview marks on them, envelope preview marks. So I think that's a very nice pickup to have. I like to get the envelope preview marks. The aluminium bronze 50-cent piece with the Opera House design is a really, really nice coin. It's got the memorial effigy there on the back, and if you want to read the spiel, you can pause and read it now. Even the worker at Australia Post who sold it to me said it would be a fantastic gift for someone overseas, this first day issue with the Opera House on it. I think it's a great PNC. The stamp is quite nice as well, and you might see those around, $3 stamps. But that's my Royal Australian Mint product for this month for the moment. Still nothing on the horizon for any uncirculated coins. I know that there was a Mint issue email that came out and said that there will be some investment coins issued on the 3rd of November, which is the first November issue. But nothing sort of in the uncirculated realm. And the last thing I wanted to show was my Booktopia purchase. Recently picked this up online. If we can open it without too much hassle, let's struggle through this. There we go. And it is what I thought it is. It's the new Renix Australian Coin and Banknote Values 32nd edition. So that is now will update my that will now update my Renix Australian Coin and Banknote series. I like the hardcover because I can use it without having too much of a problem. I'll open her up. If you don't know what this is, if you're ever looking for a coin value, or you think you might want to get an idea of what coins are worth throughout the ages in Australia, this is the book to get. There are other books with other values, but this is the one that most of the coin dealers look at, and so these are real buying prices. It starts off with proclamation coins, goes through the history of Australian coins. It goes through there, the grading system, what they think is good, the description of what they are, how to grade. It's a very, very informative book. It has pretty much all of the circulating coins and the non-circulating coins as well. It goes through pre-decimal coins at the front, and then decimal coins at the back, and then it also has Royal Australian Mint product, Perth Mint product, private issue banknotes, pre-decimal banknotes, and then into decimal banknotes as well. So the whole range of Australian coins and banknotes and what to know about them. The prices that are in here are generally prices that you would find in the shops. So one of the things that you probably don't want to do is go through this book and think that you're going to sell them for these prices, because these are generally prices that are marked up. And if you are looking for something at a dealer's, at a coin shop, that would be about the price that you pay, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But if you're trying to sell it as a private seller to a coin shop, you might have to think about a discount on that, because they're not going to pay the prices that's in the book, because they will mark it up and then sell it at the prices in the book. But it's not. Oh, look, the purple penny. There we go. They're in the book as well. So that's it. Australian coin and banknote values. I haven't got. I think I've got issue 30. Issue 30. I get them every 2 years. So issue 30, issue 32. The brand new. It only came out in October, so it's now 1st of November. It's relatively new. It's what it is. And so we've got letters from Beth. We've got some new mint product. Got a die as well. And so one of those months where there's a few things on the go, and always lovely to see people sending me mail. I appreciate it very much. The PO Box is on my YouTube channel about page. It's also on the thumbnail of this video if you are interested. But I will be back for more noodling, because that's what I usually do, noodling in the denominations. So I'll see you then. Bye.